Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox Browser on TECNO Spark 20C. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on your search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in, or you can click not now again, and here you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And your Firefox browser has been installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.